Okay then, so let's look at some irregular adverbs and their spelling, because not every word simply needs ly at the end to make it an adverb. Some words follow their own rules and their own direction in life. So, good. He's a good teacher. Thank you. Good turns into well, not goodly. Goodly's not a thing. No, it is definitely not a thing. Well, he's a well teacher. He teaches very well. How he teaches is very well. Ah. Straight. Straight. Not straightly. We are going straight. We are walking straight. You could say straighten, or straight away, adverbial phrase, straight away, yes. Straightened, unstraighten, yeah, you add some prefix or suffix, some words at the start, words at the end, but it is an adverb as well. Straight, we are walking straight, we're going straight home. Early, the same, early. It's already got ly. Early, we need to be there early. I got up early. We are too early to the party. Makes sense either way. So they are already their adverb. Good, well, straight, early, early. How cool is that? But be aware that some words out there in English have their own spelling rules. These are irregular, not normal, not normal adverbs. Be conscious of them. Okay, let's keep going.